we will actually be discussing today writing an essay, because essay writing is also formal writing. It is academic writing. It is the part of academic writing. All right. Do you remember that how many parts of an essay did I teach you? And you already know about it. All right. So just go back to your very first class, the very first few classes where I taught you about essay writing and the parts of essay. How many parts does an essay have? Or an essay has how many parts? Write in the chat box. Write in the chat box how many parts does an essay have? Ajmal is saying 3 parts. Okay. Sabha is saying 4 parts. Can you write their parts in the chat box? Okay. Can you just write in the chat box? What are these? All right. I would like, wait a minute. I think I should, uh, hmm. Okay. So I would like Akhil to unmute. Akhil, please unmute yourself. I would like to speak to you. All right. Akhil, you gonna tell me how many parts? All right. What are their names? Okay. Akhil, are you here? Those who will not respond me, I'm not going to mark their present. Okay. Ajmal is saying introductive phase, thesis, a statement. These are not the parts of an essay. I'm just asking you parts, 3 parts of an essay. What are they called? 3 parts. Yes, Yasin, 3 parts. What are they? Can you just write their names? Number 1 is introduction. Okay. Okay. Introduction, body. All right. Introduction, body, and the conclusion. You are right. All right. So introduction, body, and the conclusion. This is something that's not new. You all know it, and you already have known this before. And for a lot of in your early education years, you were taught about it that an essay has 3 parts: introduction, body, and conclusion. All right. But what we studied, when we started learning about academic writing, uh, I gave you some examples that what is academic writing, what is not academic writing, with the help of some descriptions. All right. And then we also studied about that when we talk about introduction, how the introduction part is written in an essay, right? So introduction में क्या आएगा? अब introduction के कितने parts हैं? Can you just tell me? Uh, Sanam is saying introduction, body, conclusion. All right. Sanam, you're right. Everybody writing in the chat box. Thank you so much. I would like to know how many parts does an introduction have? Introduction के कितने parts होते हैं? All right. Let me ask. Uh, can you just raise your hands who would like to answer my question? Please use the reaction feature on Zoom, and you can raise your hand if you would like to speak. All right. Okay, let's ask from Bakhtavar. Bakhtavar, please unmute yourself. Yes. Bakhtavar?
जी मैम
Yeah, Bakhtavar, can you please tell me that how many parts does an introduction of an essay have? एक introduction का जो part होता है essay का, उसके कितने parts होते हैं? Do you remember that?
नो मैम
You don't remember? All right. Yasin is saying
मैम
thesis statement.
मैम
Yes, Anisa, please.
मैम आई थिंक सो हुक background information and thesis.
And thesis. Good job. Excellent. Excellent job. Let me clap for you. All right. Uh,
Thank you.
Thank you so much, Anisa. Yes, hook, background information, and the thesis statement. These are the 3 parts of an introduction. Then body paragraphs, and then conclusion, concluding paragraph. All right. So today we are going to study that when you are writing an essay, all right, what are the stages of essay writing? Tahira, Ashraf, thank you so much. Those who are contributing in the chat box, I appreciate that. So let's go to the, all right, writing the stages. let me take your attendance first. And please note, guys, that I take your attendance first in the beginning and the second in the end of the session, just to check if everybody is attending the full session or you just come and go away. Those who will remain in the meeting only for a few minutes, their attendance won't be marked. Okay. Now, let's go to very quickly. We are going to begin with okay, stages of the writing process. All right. So I think I already have taught you, and many a times we have discussed that writing is not one-time process. All right. Many great writers, they just don't write in one go. All right. They are sitting and they are writing. Writing follows a process. Writing needs to follow a process. ठीक है? अच्छा, अब हम क्या करते हैं? Most of the times what happens कि हम process से घबराते हैं. हमें ऐसा लगता है कि oh my God, because we have to give a lot of time to it. We have to do a lot of hard work. All right. So that is why we avoid writing, or we don't work on the improvement of our and the development of our writing skills. But please remember, there is no shortcut. All right. Writing is a process. So what is the process that we follow? If I give you a topic to write an essay, and that I am just preparing you for your the next semester as well, कि next semester में हम जो है वो assignment में writing tasks को follow करेंगे. All right. So that is why, okay, let me admit. Okay. So we will have the writing task in the next semester. I mean more. So that is why it is important that you should know that when you are writing an essay, which is part of academic writing, what are the stages to follow? So let's go ahead. Okay. Pre-writing stage. Sometimes what happens that when somebody is giving you the task of writing, uh, you you just write it. Like if I give you an assignment of writing an essay, all right, many of you will first go and search it on Google, all right, and will try to copy paste it, and then the assignment is done. Or sometimes what happens that you just sit and whatever the thoughts they are coming in your mind, you just write it down in one go and think that your essay part is done. I think these things do not help you writing an effective essay. The reason behind it is that it will be not organized. There are the certain characteristics of writing. एक writing के कुछ characteristics होते हैं, all right, which should be reflected. The writing should be standard. So what is the pre-writing stage? It is the first stage of writing process, which is called pre-writing. And as the name suggests, that before you start writing, you will have to do some work. All right. And the pre-writing stages involve the brainstorming of the idea. Okay, brainstorming of the idea. For instance, if I give you a topic to write about global warming, all right. So what you need to do? Please mute yourselves, guys. Okay, so what are you going to do first when you are writing about global warming? You will first think and put your ideas and thoughts on the paper, whatever the background information you have, whatever your observations have been, आपके जहन में जो भी pre-recorded information है, you are going to put it on the paper. This is called brainstorming. Or pre-writing में you can also have the clustering. Clustering means एक mind map बनाना. All right. For example, if you remember that in your हम flow chart बनाते हैं. Process को जब हमें show करना होता है, हम boxes के अंदर flow chart बनाते हैं. Similarly, if we are showing a food chain, all right, so we have kind of foods like food chain में हम पहले बता देते हैं like animal food. So this is the one box that has animal food. अब animal food में कौन-कौन से items आ जाते हैं, कौन-कौन सी food include है, all right. So you will write meat, eggs, all right. उसके फर्दर बॉक्सेस बनेंगे, फर्दर ब्रांचेस, यू नो, you will branch it out. So we follow certain strategies, or maybe you write questions, a list of questions that you will answer in when you will be writing an essay or the Venn diagram. Agar compare and contrast ka koi essay hai that you are comparing two things, then you can also use the Venn diagram strategy. All right. So these are the strategies. Now, brainstorming means that, you know, if you're writing about media, it is just listing when you are, you know, when you, it is just the listing of the ideas. All right, write down all the ideas in the order to which they are organized or they occur. Like mass media में क्या क्या आ जाता है? Magazines, broadcasting, radio, television. All right, so if you are talking about mass media, तो आपके जहन में उसके सारे, you know, you have just written all the kinds of media. Like we have print media that include newspaper and magazines, and we have electronic media that has television and DVD, and then we have social media that has Facebook and Instagram. Okay, so you are listing it down. पहले आपका brain process होगा. Okay, then clustering में mind mapping, as I said, कि clustering में हम क्या करते हैं? It is the visual representation of your ideas in the form of a flow chart, or in the form of a mind map. All right, and sometimes what happens that we invite your one word ideas as well. What are one word ideas? Okay, now what we are going to do, I'm going to involve you in an activity, and today we have more and more activities. All right, so that is why it is requested that you please stay here and participate in all the activities that I have brought for you. Okay, I'm just going to see your question. All right, Mohammed Yasin is saying concept map. All right, now we are going to do an interesting activity. What is this activity? I have created a page that will allow you to write your ideas about a particular topic on that wall, on that page. All right. Uh, I will share the link. Listen very carefully. I will share the link in the chat box. ठीक है? मैं एक link आपसे share करूंगी chat box में. उसके ऊपर एक topic लिखा हुआ है nurses. All right. Now, what you have to do, you have to write your thoughts, that what is the one word that you can contribute, or two words or three words that you can contribute to describe the nurses. And when we say nurses, means you can talk about their profession, you can talk about their struggles, you can, that one word that can describe their profession, the nobility of their profession, the description, their services, their challenges which they face. It could incorporate anything. All right. So let me share with you. Okay, yeah, you will write this on when you click that. All right. मैं एक link आपसे share कर रही हूँ. Here you go. All right. Here is, okay. Is my screen visible to you? Okay. Now I'm going to show you. You can see कि यहाँ एक word लिखा हुआ है nurses. Now I'm sharing a link in the chat box. Okay, here is the chat box. ठीक है? Click this link. Okay. Will you please click this link and write that one word? When you write that one word, it will appear on my screen. Okay. So okay. I haven't started receiving the responses yet. All right, COVID fighters, excellent, good job. I have started receiving the responses. Okay, very nice. Write more, everybody. You just need to click. I can share the link again so that everybody can click that link, and you will be allowed to share your responses. Okay. Mhm. Okay, very nice. This is excellent job. Good. Passionate, caring. Okay, so you are writing your one word ideas and putting your one word ideas. Caretaker, yes. So Varis, you will need to click that link and write caretaker. You have written caretaker, all right? Okay. So here we have a word Yasin, all right? So Yasin, because you are a nurse, okay, so you have written your name. Okay, caregiver, all right, okay. All right, okay. Managers, okay. See, a lot of words, getting, and the beauty of this activity is that the word that is being responded by so many of you will get bigger. All right, जिसको word सबसे ज़्यादा मिलेंगे जिस word को, that will appear bigger on the screen. So we can see that many of you think very strongly that nurses are fighters, they are health workers, they are you know there was one more word that was very big, hard worker, yes, yes, health workers, fighters. This is great, this is great. Honest, yes, exactly, exactly, they're honest. Okay, so I think we have received so many responses: health workers, caring soldiers, masters, managers, decision makers, caretakers, caregivers, advocate, healthcare, all right, and passionate, compassionate, such such amazing, amazing contribution. I really liked it. Okay, great job, everyone. You are doing a great job. Thank you so much. Okay, responsible. They are soldiers. They show empathy. Exactly, they show empathy. Okay, so should we stop it now? Stop screen share. All right. So do you know that how to write one word, ideas about a particular topic, be it a vocabulary or be it any information that will help you, right? Brainstorming and collection of the ideas, they are very, very important. You cannot write, guys. You cannot write until you. Okay. Wait a minute. Okay. Okay, guys, you cannot write until you have something in your mind. जब तक आपके जहन में कुछ नहीं होगा आप लिख नहीं सकेंगे. All right, so I hope that this has been an interesting activity. Now हम जाते हैं अगले स्टेप पर, which is called drafting. All right, let me share my screen. Okay, just a minute, just give me a second, right? Okay, just give me a second. Okay. All right. Did you enjoy this activity and this platform? All right. So writing it can be interesting part. All right. It is not always boring. So let's go to the screen. Okay. Fine. Yes, girls. We have discussed about pre-writing. So this was one of the activity that was about pre-writing. Okay. And then the next thing is Oh, okay, drafting. Acha, the second stage is drafting. What is drafting? That once you have put down all your ideas on the paper, आपने सारे ideas अपने paper पे लिख लिए, all right? Sometimes during this process, pre-writing process में, you can do some researches, you can Google some information, but never ever forget to give the credit. References are very, very important. Otherwise, it is illegal, it is unethical, it is immoral, and it is counted as an act of plagiarism. Clear हो गया? So second stage आपकी drafting. Now you have created a mind map. You know what you have to write about nurses, or write about any particular topic that was given to you. अब आप क्या करेंगे? अब आप करेंगे drafting. Drafting is the second stage of writing. Okay, drafting is the second stage of writing process, and at this stage, the writer should write a complete first draft using his or her notes. All right, it means that you will write a 5-paragraph essay, or you are writing an article, or you are writing a report, whatever you are writing. Okay, you will break your notes down into you will turn your notes down into sentences. अब आपने क्या करना है? First you wrote the ideas in bullets. आपने bullets में लिखा, आपने one word लिखा. All right, now what you're gonna do, you are going to write it in full sentences. आप इसको proper sentences में लिखेंगे, and that will be called your first draft. अच्छा, first draft can never ever be come out as a perfect draft. All right, first draft में क्या होगा? You don't have to worry about, in the first draft, you don't have to worry about grammar mistakes, and you don't have to worry about the spelling mistakes. Okay, and you will write quickly. You understand that? कि जब आप first draft लिख रहे होते हैं, तो आप you don't have to be conscious about that grammar is correct or not, spellings are correct or not. आपने first draft में उसको consider नहीं करना है. All right, because first draft can be called a rough draft. All right, ये आपका एक first piece of writing है. Okay, now what is the next thing that we are going to do? It is okay. After you have written your first draft, now there is another stage which is called revising. All right, so revising is the third stage of writing. Okay, revising is the third stage of writing process. Acha, what do we actually do in the revision? You know, re means what? Revisiting your first draft. You will read it again, your first draft, and then you will read it critically. यहाँ पे आप क्या करोगे? Okay, first draft में क्या हुआ आपने? Because you know when you are writing, and with writing अगर आप conscious हो रहे हो grammar और उसके बीच में, so I mean it is a lot of work in one step. आप नहीं कर सकते हो, a lot of concentration on everything. Sometimes it is not possible. Now you have written your first draft. Okay, in the revising stage, which is called revisiting stage. So when you are considering your essay, you are reading it again. जब आप उसे दोबारा पढ़ रहे होते हैं, ठीक है? So what happens? You just try to fine tune. All right, you think very critically. Okay, you just do the अच्छा again यहाँ पर आप spelling और grammar को इतना focus नहीं करते. You will have to see the organization. That is, my sentence structure is correct. Is the paragraph organization is correct? Is there any information missing? All right, can a new information be added? कभी कभी ऐसा होता है कि when we write first time, okay, and then we read it, we feel no, something is missing. All right, it doesn't sound good, I want to make it better, it can be further ameliorated. Okay, so क्या होता है, आप अपने काम को self critic होते हैं, you are self critic, you want to make it better. So now you will think from the point of view that can new points to be added, क्या flow है, क्या coherency है, are the ideas well connected. ऐसा तो नहीं है कि किसी एक पैराग्राफ की दूसरे पैराग्राफ से कनेक्टिविटी या कोहेरेंसी नहीं बन रही है, the ideas are not well connected. So what happens that in the revising stage you fine tune all those elements. ठीक है, इसमें आप क्या करते हैं? Revising often includes adding, cutting, moving or changing information in order to make the ideas clearer, more accurate, more interesting or more convincing. Clear? So the same thing, कि हो सकता है the sentence that you wrote, you don't like it again. When you are reading it again, you don't like it. Or maybe the one word and the vocabulary that you use, you thought that no, I want to use another word. Clear? So this is called the revising stage. The fourth stage is the editing stage. अच्छा, editing stage में हम क्या करते हैं? It is the fourth stage of writing process. Here you check your grammar errors, your punctuation, your spellings, right? So your all language related mechanics, they are, you know, they get set here. अब वो यहाँ पे set होंगे. In the last stage, so you see that how important it is for all of you to know the writing process. Because अगर आप एक ही स्टेप में आइडियाज भी पुट इन कर रहे हैं, आप उसके अंदर ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन भी लेकर आ रहे हैं, यू राइट वन सेंटेंस, यू डिलीट इट, यू राइट इट अगेन, तो आप फर्स्ट ड्राफ्ट भी लिख रहे हैं, आप उसके अंदर रिवाइजिंग भी कर रहे हैं, एट द सेम टाइम यू आर टेकिंग केयर ऑफ द ग्रामेटिकल थिंग्स एंड एवरीथिंग, so that is quite a very complicated process. You make it complicated process, and at the end of the day you are left confused, you are left bewildered that oh my god, writing is not so fun, all right, and you just give it up. But जब आप stages को follow करते हैं, this becomes a more productive and enjoyable activity for you. Okay, all right. So here we have one more writing task. Now I'm going to give you a writing task. Okay, attendance. Attendance is important 2-3 times so that I can check if everybody is present till the end. Now the next activity is again a very collaborative activity. Meanwhile, I'm taking the screenshot of your attendance. I am going to brief you that what the next activity is. So in the next activity, I will share a link. This link will take you to a wall. All right, वो आपको एक writing wall पे ले जाएगा. All right. Now in that writing wall, you are going to write a small paragraph, okay, on the topic जो उसमें mention है. All right, आपने एक पैराग्राफ लिखना है जो उस पे मेंशन है टॉपिक. अब ये कि यू विल राइट ऑनलाइन, so I will give you some 3 to 4 minutes or 5 minutes at least to write and post it on the wall. Okay, so remember that you are going to write your first draft. Okay, you are going to write your first draft. And what will happen that you will have an access to this wall following the link जो कि मैं ग्रुप में भी शेयर कर लूंगी. So आप उसको फर्दर जाकर you can modify it and it will remain with me with your names. Let's do it. All right. So is my screen visible, guys? Can you see this
Yes,
wall? और इस पे कौन सा टॉपिक लिखा हुआ है? What is the topic here? All right. Okay, his screen is visible.
nurses. Nurses.
Okay, thank you so much. So the same it is followed by the same brainstorming activity. After nurses के बारे में you wrote a lot of words. All right. Now you are going to write a one paragraph. First, a paragraph. I'm not asking you to write an essay. I want you to write a paragraph about nurses. Okay, अब कैसे लिखेंगे? लिखेंगे कैसे, guys? Be very attentive here. All right. Before I share the link, जब मैं आपसे लिंक शेयर करूंगी चैट बॉक्स में, when you gonna click the link, it will take you to this wall. आप इस wall पे आपका access हो जाएगा. All right. How will you start writing? Can you see this? This plus pink button.
Yes, ma'am.
ठीक है. All right. You gonna click that. आप इस पे click करेंगे. ये आपसे पूछेगा टाइटल. यहाँ आप अपना नाम लिख दें. Like जैसे मैंने लिख दिया साइमा. And now start writing here. Clear? Okay. जैसे ही आप अपने कर्सर को इससे बाहर निकालेंगे, ये पोस्ट हो जाएगा automatically. All right? Is everybody?
Ma'am, how many words we should write?
Yes. You have to write 6 to 7 sentences only. All right?
Okay, ma'am.
Because I'm giving you 5 minutes, so you cannot write a lot. Share करते हैं इसको आपसे a link. All right. Now here is the link. Yes, I have posted the link. When you click this link, you will have an access to this wall. You will arrive to this wall. Okay, and just right hand side पर there is a plus pink button. All right, this plus sign आप उस पर click करें. Mohammad Yasin has started writing. Okay, I can see on my wall. I think मैं screen stop करती हूँ ताकि आप सब only I can see and then I will share my screen. Okay, so those students who still are confused what to do, please click the link and this link will take you to the wall. All right, there you will find a plus. Right hand side पे you will find a plus button in pink color. उस पर click करेंगे, so it will allow you to write your paragraph on the wall. Let me check के wall पे क्या आ रहा है. Okay. Yasin, Shumaila, Mufti, Sumaira, they have posted their names. Now अब इसी पे लिखना शुरू कर दें बेटा. आप इस पे क्लिक करें, टाइटल पे आपने अपना नाम लिखा, नीचे डिस्क्रिप्शन पे यू स्टार्ट राइटिंग. ताहिरा, okay. And your time starts now. You have 5 minutes. Feel relaxed. Take your time, 5 to 6 minutes, and then write one paragraph about nurses. Write few sentences. कुछ ना कुछ लिखे nurses के बारे में. Okay. I can see Imran has started writing. All right, and okay, Akil has started writing. Very nice. Good job, guys. All right. Yasin has also written. Okay. Okay. Ajmal, I have started receiving yours as well. Fine. And you can just click it again. You can modify it. I will share the link in the group so that you can later on edit this. Okay. Write in your own words, please. Write it, make it very simple. Write what you feel about nurses. What are your views about nurses? Their struggle, the challenges they face, their status in society, the work they are doing for the people, their services. So you can write from any aspect. Correct. Shabana, you have just written. अच्छा, those of you who have just written the name और आगे कुछ लिखना नहीं शुरू किया, please click your name. Title से नीचे आ जाइए description पर and start writing. Akil has started writing. All right. Mufti, Sumaira, Sanam, Shabana, Waris, Mariam. All right. Please start writing. Sumaira, Mariam Noor, Aksa, Shenila, Ikra Rashid. Please start writing. Just don't put your name and just go away. Don't do that. अच्छा इमरान आपने लिखा है. All right. Mufti has written. Okay. All right. So please don't choose another text box. आपने एक ही text box के अंदर लिखना है. Okay. Don't write your name on other text box and don't write the description on the other because then I will not be able to catch. Excuse me. भाई चाय ले आइएगा मेरे लिए. कल चाय मीठी नहीं थी बिल्कुल भी, उसमें चीनी डाल दीजिएगा जो आप दोबारा लेकर आए थे ना. हाँ उसमें आप अभी चाय ले आए उसमें चीनी भी डालिए. हाँ हाँ ओके. यस I'm happy that I okay. Zoya कुछ लिख लें. Zoya, I can see your name. All right, Sumaira, I can see your name twice. All right, so you can delete one. Tahira Ashraf, Shanila has written, okay. So if you think that your name is twice, Sumaira, I can see your name here. How many times it is written? Sumaira, your name is twice, so you can delete one box. आप
Hello?
एक को delete कर दें. Yes, please.
मैम कैसे डिलीट करें? जी मैम कैसे डिलीट होगा? और
when you-
लिखा भी नहीं जा रहा है.
Okay. जिस वॉल पे आप हैं, आप अपने टेक्स्ट पे क्लिक करेंगे, it will itself become editable. Just click this. ठीक है? It will become editable.
ओके मैम.
क्लिक से ही ये एडिटेबल हो जाता है. You will not have to do anything. Okay. Okay, I have received a lot of responses. Thank you so much. It's great. Okay.
Ma'am, will you read our paragraphs?
I'm going to share my screen. Then you will be able to see the wall. Okay. And then I'll ask one of you to read. Okay. Okay. All right. So let's everybody. I hope that all of you have been writing on it and still feel excited to write more and put your responses. But don't worry, I'm going to share the link which will be accessible to you for even after the class. आप उस पे later on you can go and add it. You can add जिन्होंने नहीं किया वो बाद में कर सकते हैं, ठीक है? So don't worry. जाने दो. Let me share my screen that how it looks like. Now, is it visible, guys?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, nice. Now, this looks like this, okay? Those of you who have not been able to do it, don't worry, because sometimes it is difficult to handle the technology. Sometimes maybe your mobile is not supporting it. So no worries at all. I'll share the link and then you can later on post on it, all right? Post on the wall. So here it is. These are your responses I can see. I would like to pick one of you to read yours so that I can see your writing. All right. Who would like to read? Okay. Anyone would like to read?
Ma'am, can I?
Yeah, please go ahead. Where is yours, Yasin? Let me just search yours. Okay. अकील है.
मैम मैं पढ़ूं अपना.
All right.
Ma'am, ये खुर्रम बोलिएगा मैम सामने.
अच्छा ये खुर्रम थे या यासीन थे? I cannot recognize your voice. Yes, Khurram, I can see yours now. Yes, read, please. Khurram, you can read.
Nurses are like salt in sea. They are not measurable. I'm lost हो गया.
Please stop posting. All right, guys, जो अभी तक इस पे काम कर रहे हैं वो इससे बाहर निकल आए. क्योंकि इस पे ये थोड़ा सा when you keep on posting तो मूव होता रहेगा. Yes, ये लास्ट में है आपका, ठीक है?
मैम खुरम के बाद मैं अपना पढ़ूंगी.
Yes, Khurram, I think मैंने आपकी पोस्ट को एक्सपेंड कर दिया है. Let me just see कि ये आपको विजिबल है करेक्टली या नहीं.
Yes, ma'am.
Khurram, read.
Madam, nurses are like salt in the sea. They are not measurable but have a great impact in the well-being of mankind. One cannot taste the sea unless not get into it. So the value of nurses only can be evaluated when one gets sick and come in contact with the nurses. Like seawater, nurses look calm from outside but have great knowledge and skills and caring quality inside them. Yes,
Okay. Excellent job, Khurram. It is beautifully written. Let me just take this.
मैम मेरा अनीसा,
बेटा नाम भी बता दिया करें, मैं कोई आपकी दोस्त नहीं हूँ, मुझे आपकी
अनीसा
आवाज से
मैम,
साउंड पता हो।
अनीसा
अनीसा, लेट मी सर्च, वेट
मैम, अनीसा
यस, वेट अ मिनट, वेट
मैम, ऊपर है मैम, लेकिन मैंने यहाँ पे नाम नहीं लिखा है
तो बेटा मुझे अब आपको नजर आ रहा है तो आप
मैम।
पढ़ना
इमरान के, मैम इमरान के ऊपर, मैम इमरान के फ्रंट ऊपर है
मैडम मैंने नाम लिखा है, मेरा
मैम।
रीड कर
खुरम
लें।
पॉल, देन
प्लीज
इमरान।
म्यूट योर माइक बिकॉज आई थिंक आपकी तरफ बहुत डिस्टॉर्शन है। मुफ्ती आपकी तरफ बहुत नॉइज आ रही है आपके माइक से, आप प्लीज उसको म्यूट रखें। यस यस यस, आई हैव सीन इमरान के ऊपर जो पोस्ट है आपकी है। यस प्लीज।
यस मैम। मैम पोस्ट आप वहाँ शो कर रही हैं या मैं इसी पे पढ़?
एक मिनट, एक मिनट, एक मिनट। लेट मी एक्सटेंड योर नोट। कहाँ गई? तो इमरान भी खो गया, कहाँ है? नजर नहीं आ रहा।
मैम कॉर्नर पे।
या
यस मैम, यहाँ।
जस्ट यस, हियर इट इज।
Ma'am, the doctors are the brain of the hospital and the nurse are the heart of the hospital. The brain fails, heart will be managed, and the heart fails, nothing will be managed.
Okay, very nice. I mean, this is very, poetic way. You have written in such a poetic way. Brain fails, heart will be managed. And if the heart fails, nothing will be managed.
Nothing will be managed.
This is nice. I really liked it. Great. Okay.
Okay,
Anyone
thank
else?
you, ma'am.
I mean, I can just allow one more to read the response, and after that we will go to the final slide, and we're gonna end the session. So, and last May there are few very very important announcements for your final examination point of view. Okay. One more, who would like to read? Even if you are just writing in the chat box, those who are interested, so I can just expand your post. अच्छा, ये I really like जिसने ये पिक्चर लगाई है, US Nurses 2020, ये कौन सा बच्चा है ये? All right. Okay, fine. Who would like to read one last response? Okay, Yasin, will you be interested to read? Is your mic okay? Is it functioning well? Microphones? I can't. All right, I can't hear from you guys. Tahira Ibrahim, would you like to read? Okay, I think nobody. So let's go to the final slide. Now the instructions for other students. Okay, now let's just go to the final slide. Okay. Okay, everyone. Now listen very carefully. I will share this link in the chat box. All right. Sorry, in the WhatsApp group. You can please contribute in the writing wall later on. Those who have yet not posted, ठीक है? जिन्होंने post किया है, they can also further. अच्छा, you can't hear me, everybody. You can't hear me. किसी को भी आवाज नहीं आ रही है?
नहीं मैम, हमें आ रही है आवाज आपकी।
Right. Okay.
बिल्कुल
So
क्लियर है।
I think कि जिनको आवाज नहीं आ रही है, please check your microphones. ठीक है, शायद आपका मसला होगा. All right. Now listen. Thank you so much, Ajmal. All right. Please, those of you who have not yet responded or contributed in the writing task, please do that later on. आप उसको बाद में कर लीजिएगा. जिन्होंने किया है, they can still go back to it and edit it. You have this option. आप उस पे जाएं, आप उसको further edit कर लें. आप उसमें interesting pictures डाल सकते हैं. All right, you can also add the pictures. of nurses. You can add your own picture if you would like to.
Wow.
Mufti ko kya hua? I just don't understand. When your mic is not okay, please don't unmute yourself. All right. So you can post your pictures. You can post your own pictures. You can post any other pictures. That would be great. Okay. But remember, अगर आप कोई पिक्चर पोस्ट कर रहे हैं तो उसका लिंक सेंड कर दीजिएगा फ्रॉम द सोर्स यू हैव टेकन. क्लियर? आइडियली ये होता है कि अगर आप गूगल से कोई पिक्चर ले रहे हैं तो आप उसकी वेबसाइट पे जाएं और उसका लिंक शेयर कर दें, so that will not be copyrighted issue. Yasin, I think the problem is with you, okay, because my voice is all okay, as everybody has said. Now let's go to the last part, that is publishing. अच्छा, publishing में हम क्या करते हैं? Publishing is the last stage of writing process. In this stage, you share your essay you have written with the readers. Like if you have written for the assignment, then you are going to submit it to your teacher. If you are writing it for to be published in any journal or in any book or wherever, all right? So this is the last stage when your final draft is ready. It has no errors, no grammatical mistakes. You have followed the writing process and now your final product is ready to be published. Clear हो गया? Okay, so that's it. अब हम आते हैं, थोड़ा सा डिस्कस करेंगे आपके एग्जाम को. ओके, व्हेन इज योर इंग्लिश पेपर इंटरनल एग्जामिनेशन? जो KGH का है वो पेपर कब है? 7 को है या 8 को है? इज इट ऑन 7th June or 8th June? व्हेन इज योर पेपर? 8 June. ऑल राइट.
7 को है.
7 है 8 है?
7 है.
आर यू श्योर? 7 है? ट्यूसडे को है
मैम. 7 से स्टार्ट होंगे.
हाँ, इंग्लिश का पेपर कब है? इंग्लिश का 8 को है. ठीक है, ओके. नाउ those of you who have not been attending my classes, please make sure कि आप, I will share some of the links for practice in the group, grammar practice, all right? So please do practice from those links. दूसरा ये है कि this is your internal examination. ठीक है, अब आप सोच रहे होंगे कि इसके मार्क्स कंसीडरेबल हैं या नहीं हैं. We have done one presentation assignment जिसके मैंने आपको मार्क्स दे दिए हैं. This test will be graded and I'm going to consider it as one of the assignments and I'm going to post the marks in the award list to be sent to Dow University. So this test is part of the 60 marks that I have with me in English paper. Please make sure कि मुझे आपको second, third chances ना देने पड़े. It is really, really annoying कि आप 6 नंबर ले रहे हैं, 7 नंबर ले रहे हैं, all right? You are not, considerate enough about your marks. और फिर आप हमसे expect करते हैं अगर कि मैं आपके 7 marks को 14 करके दूंगी, तो ऐसा कभी भी नहीं होगा. I tell you one example that last time there was a student in January, she got pregnant, she had a baby and she could not submit the assignment. One of the assignments, मैंने उसको उसके 15 नंबर उसमें ऐड नहीं किए. And when her final result came, she was at C grade. Everybody was like, उसका C grade क्यों आ गया? मैंने तो इंग्लिश में उसको नंबर नहीं दिए. I'm not gonna give. So do struggle and be considerate, everybody, and work hard for your examination. Earn the marks. Don't beg for the marks.